Our solar system is a stage for a continuous cosmic ballet. Planets in constant motion waltz around the sun. Sometimes these celestial bodies treat us to a special performance, a double planet event. This is not some grand planetary collision, but rather a trick of perspective. Imagine standing in a vast field. Two friends walk in opposite directions, far apart. As they move, there's a moment when they briefly align with your position. They appear close, almost touching, even though yards separate them. That's the magic of a double planet event. On August 21st, 2024, Saturn and Neptune will perform this celestial dance. From our viewpoint on Earth, these gas giants will appear remarkably close together in the night sky. It's an illusion, of course, millions of miles still separate them, but the sight is no less awe-inspiring. These events remind us of the vastness and wonder of our universe. Two seemingly distant worlds briefly become celestial neighbors, sparking curiosity and reminding us of the interconnectedness of space. Saturn and Neptune are not frequent dance partners. Their celestial waltz is a rare and precious performance. The last time these two gas giants aligned was in 1989. That's right, over 3 decades ago. Yet out in space, Saturn and Neptune have continued their dance, finally aligning once more for this rare conjunction. Saturn takes roughly 29.5 years to orbit the Sun, while Neptune takes 165 years. Their paths mean a conjunction only occurs every 35 years. The 2024 event is a treat for our generation. Mark your calendars, folks. Ready to witness this celestial spectacle firsthand? August 21st, 2024 is the date, but the preparation starts now. Don't worry, you won't need a rocket ship or a degree in astrophysics. Just a little planning and a healthy dose of curiosity. First, location, location, location. Find a spot away from city lights. Think parks, open fields, or even your backyard if it offers a clear view of the night sky. Light pollution is the enemy of stargazing, so the darker, the better. Next, enhance your vision. While visible to the naked eye, binoculars or a telescope will elevate your experience. Imagine seeing not just 2 points of light, but the majestic rings of Saturn and the subtle blue hue of Neptune. Timing is key. The best viewing will be just after sunset as the sky darkens. Consult a stargazing app or website to determine the precise time for your location. Finally, dress comfortably, pack some snacks, and get ready for an unforgettable night under the stars. Section 4. The Cosmic Ballet, the Science Behind Planetary Alignments. The beauty of a double planet event lies in its visual splendor and the science behind it. To understand it, we must venture into celestial mechanics. Picture our solar system as a giant cosmic racetrack. Each planet has its designated lane, its orbit around the Sun. They travel at different speeds, their positions constantly shifting. A conjunction occurs when, from Earth, these two runners appear to overlap. It's all about perspective. Section 5. Celestial Wonders. Reflecting on the significance. Throughout history, humans have gazed at the night sky, seeking meaning and connection. Today, we approach these events with a more scientific understanding. Yet the sense of wonder persists. As we train our telescopes on these distant giants, we are reminded of our place in the vast cosmic scheme. The rarity of a Saturn-Neptune conjunction only amplifies its significance. So on August 21st, 2024, take a moment to step outside and look up. Feel the awe, embrace the mystery, and remember that we are all part of something far grander than ourselves.